In this tip, we'll see how to format large numbers with underscore separation. You might already know how to use underscore while declaring numbers. So for example, here's a large integer and here's an example for binary number. So this is for declaring numbers. Question is how to format such large numbers with underscore when you want to display them to the user. So you can use format strings, for example. So you can use underscore as the format specifier. You can also use comma instead of underscore for integers. Next, let us see a few examples for displaying this number in binary, octal and hexadecimal formats. So n is a large number and normally you will just use b as the specifier for displaying an integer in binary format. Now if you prefix an underscore to this b, then the output will be separated using underscores. And you will note that the separation is 4 digits each, whereas in case of integers it was 3 digits. So this was just the binary number. If you wanted a prefix like 0b at the start, then you can just add hash. So you can see 0b and then the binary digits. Similarly, you can just use octal or hexadecimal. And just for sake of completion, let us see an example with zero filling. So we'll use n colon and we need to specify how many characters we need in the output. So we'll assume the maximum integer will not cross 8 binary digits and we'll have a underscore character in between. So we need to specify 9 as the number of characters in the output, and we are using zero filling as well, and we are displaying in binary format. Hope you enjoyed this tip.